Morning guys, day 2, Split, Croatia. Just got up. It's about 20 after 8 in the morning. For all you travelers out there, you'll understand having a little bit of traveler's belly. So I'm going to go over to the pharmacy and see if we can take care of this. But I got a lot in store for today. Going out to the Blue Lagoon, and we're just gonna see what the coast has to offer. In the meantime, coffee, definitely a little Pepto-Bismol or something, because we got to keep it moving. Okay, so the woman in the pharmacy was as helpful as possible, considering this language barrier and Google Translate wouldn't work, but we are on the move. I've got a little bit of this, which for any traveler, you know, this is not ideal, but got to keep it moving. So a little bit of medicine, and we'll let's get on the move here today. Okay guys, so the woman at the pharmacy said no coffee for me, so here I am drinking a cup of tea. Not really sure what this is going to be like, but here goes nothing. Oh, not too bad.
Everybody's at the record hop, rocking at the record hop. Rocking at the record hop.
Here goes nothing. For those that haven't drank,
Rocking at the record hop. Rocking at the record hop. Baby, rolling at the record hop. Rocking and rolling, rolling and rocking. Rocking and rolling, rolling and rocking. Rocking and rolling, rolling and rocking. Rocking and rolling and rolling and rocking.
Lost the GoPro in the sea and left it on the bottom. I think a couple fish may or may not have pecked at it, but I was able to recover it.
It's job well done.
Matt Spindler says we are not doing the jellyfish game today.
What's the jellyfish game?
No chance. Look at this.
This happens. But like, what do they eat something? Do they?
Everybody's at the record hop.
Life is easy if you know how to live. Well, I mean, it wasn't Yacht Week, but it was pretty fucking spectacular.
Listen, I don't need Yacht Week. I can go get fake prostitutes in Vegas anytime I want.
And I'd rather have Captain Popeye than Captain Slutface any day of the week.
Right? I'm on Yacht Week. Tag your sponsor. I figured we just wanted to do a sign off here because, I mean, just look at this place, right?
Palace.
All right, guys, always remember, travel often, life is beautiful, just stay real. Out. What's up, guys? We're back at it again. All right, guys. Well, it's been an epic day. We made it to the top.
Fortress of Croatia. Wow.
So I figure this is probably the best moment of the afternoon.